Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we will be presenting about Pharma Niaga Berhad. My name is Rabiatul Safia binti Abdul Rashid and my matric number is 288399. My group member is Nur Farahim binti Baharum 288348, Abirami anak perempuan Ramanikan 288349, Agilis anak lelaki Sundaram 288351, Siti Aisyah binti Ahmad Zarin 288352, Syarul Aizat bin Samsul Alimin 288402. And the last one is Anis Nabila binti Rasmi 288423, and we are from group 19.
Hi guys, I'm Agiles here. Today I'm going to talk about the company which is Pharma Niaga Berhad. The Pharma Niaga Berhad located at 5 Lorong IKS Juru 8, Taman Perindustrian Ringan Juru 14100 Simpang 4 Penang. The type of business that done by Pharma Niaga Berhad are integrated pharmaceutical company. Nature of business. Pharma Niaga Berhad is an investment holding company. The company is principally engaged in the research and development, manufacturing of generic drugs and medical devices, logistics and distribution, sales and marketing, as well as community pharmacy. And then, about vision of the company is the premier Malaysian pharmaceutical firm guided by its "Do It Right" concept and fueled by its passion for patient. The mission of the company is provide quality products and superior service by professional, committed and caring employees. Product and service that given by the companies are a leading worldwide supplier of fully integrated healthcare solutions. And the products are medical equipments, medical consumable, medical devices, consumer healthcare, and many more. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Anis Nabila binti Rosti. Here I'm going to explain about current major trend of Pharma Niaga Berhad. From a technical standpoint, a trend is an explanation of historical data over a specific period of time and the documentation of its advancement. There is a pattern if the data shows regular increases, reduction, steadiness, or even flatness. This type of data is used by all businesses to help anticipate the future and make strategic decisions. The goal of conducting a trend analysis is to forecast what will happen in the future so that you can avoid potential threats and capitalize on potential opportunities. Pharma Niaga Berhad is one of Malaysia's major integrated healthcare firms. As we know, most of medicine in Malaysia market dominated by Pharma Niaga products. Pharma Niaga has the unique authority to buy, store, supply, and distribute branded generic drugs that have been approved by the Food and Drug Administration or FDA. One of the major trends that derive Pharma Niaga as one of a big company in Malaysia itself is their expertise in healthcare and medicine. They provide healthcare services to public with affordability and quality. By providing high-quality products and personalized service to their consumer, they're entirely devoted to improving the well-being for the communities. Recently, Pharma Niaga Berhad, one of the companies who supply vaccine COVID-19 in Malaysia. Malaysia government allocate million ringgit for vaccination under immunization programs and IP. Thus, Pharma Niaga is able to ensure an effective provision and distribution of the additional supply of Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine to Ministry of Health. In addition, Pharma Niaga Berhad success entered international vaccine market with export Sinovac vaccine to Myanmar. They reported that they had successfully entered the international vaccination market by selling the first batch of Sinovac fill and finish COVID-19 vaccine to Myanmar. For information, Pharma Niaga Berhad, one of the biggest company in Malaysia that make research for medicine and get approval by Halal certified by Zakim and certified to ISO 9001. Pharma Niaga has earlier stated about their plan in 4 years it would create its own halal vaccination, and its collaboration with the Serum Institute of India. Serum includes technological transfer that could help Pharma Niaga of Malaysia's biotechnology industry expand. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. My name is Syarul Aizat bin Samsul Alimin, matric number 288402. I will continue to talk about main competitors of Pharma Niaga Berhad. Firstly, one of the competitors of Pharma Niaga Berhad is Dua Pharma Biotech Berhad. Dua Pharma Biotech Berhad was established in 1996 and is now one of Malaysia's major pharmaceutical firms with a listing on the Bursa Malaysia Berhad main market. Dua Pharma Biotech Berhad is a Malaysian pharmaceutical firm that offers unique and high-quality products. They have committed to upgrading their production facilities with cutting-edge technologies in order to improve their compliance requirements and capacity to meet their expansion objectives. Based on the information from shareholders in the first half of 2021, Dua Pharma Biotech Berhad have bigger potential in shareholdings compared to Pharma Niaga Berhad. This indicates that Dua Pharma Biotech Berhad has a better chance of improving project selection and investment levels, as well as reducing waste. In case of Pharma Niaga Berhad, the company is operating in an international market with a strong market competition, but with weak market share of products. Next, Kotra Industries Berhad, also the competitor of Pharma Niaga Berhad. Kotra Industries Berhad, or known as Kotra Pharma, has been dedicated to improving the health of people at all phases of life since its inception in 1982. To be on the cutting edge of healthcare technology and innovation, Kotra Pharma is dedicated to doing world-class research. Kotra Pharma has built a solid reputation in the pharmaceutical industries, as well as in the homes of thousands of families over the last 27 years. According to the pharmaceutical products that released by Kotra Pharma and Pharma Niaga Berhad, most of the pharmaceutical products that released by the both companies are for the treatment of disease. Kotra Pharma's main website is more systematically in introducing their pharmaceutical products to the customers and their clients. Rather than Pharma Niaga Berhad, their customers easily can recognize each product by type of the product line such as tablet, cream, syrup and the ingredient for each of their product compared to Pharma Niaga Berhad.
Let's discuss further about future direction of Pharma Niaga Berhad. Pharma Niaga Berhad has several plans to develop and expand the company products to a higher level. Even though Pharma Niaga is one of the Malaysia's largest integrated pharmaceutical group, still it has some deficiencies and some lack of technical sophistication to compete among all the pharmaceutical companies all around the world. First and foremost, on 16 June 2021, Pharma Niaga embarked an initiative to supply the Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine to the state government and all the private sectors to complement in government's effort to achieve immunity and economic recovery at the fastest rate. CEO of Pharma Niaga guarantees an effective provision and distribution of doses of the Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine in the private market and the government and does not interrupt our existing contractual obligation with the federal government. In addition, on 26 August 2021, Pharma Niaga is starting an increase its presence in geographical area and also African market by provision Sinovac COVID-19 finished immunizing agent factory made by its own high-tech plant. He also embarked that currently they have a tendency to be within the discussion of COVID-19 vaccine with Sinovac Life Science Corporation to facilitate the export of the vaccinium. The countries that face challenges in securing spare provide in numerous Southeast Asia countries similarly as many African nations. Last but not least, on 8th of November 2021, Pharma Niaga stated that they are exploring the utilization of unmanned aerial vehicles or drones for pharmaceutical-grade medical delivery to boost its provision capabilities and create health care services additional accessible, particularly to remote and geographical difficult areas while not compromising on safety, integrity, quality of the medicine. Through this initiative, Pharma Niaga aims to dramatically cut back the delivery time and value further as increase of chain efficiencies as drone delivery are calculable to be 5 times more economical than standard delivery strategies.
SWOT stand for the strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threat. The SWOT analysis is a framework for analyzing a company's competitive position and establishing strategic plan. The first one is strength. As we all know, Pharma Niaga Berhad products are well known in the biotechnology and drugs industry. This has allowed the company to charge a higher price than competitors in the biotechnology and drug industry. According to the Shafiqah Salim, they offer the Sinovac vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine, to the Ministry of Health to accommodate people who choose to take this formulation as a booster dose. Second is weaknesses. Same as for other company, Pharma Niaga Berhad also have their own weaknesses. In order to overcome the weaknesses, a leader must determine whether the weaknesses exist due to a lack of strategic planning or strategic choice. As we all know, financial difficulties are common in business, and Pharma Niaga is no exception. According to the financial data analysis, Pharma Niaga Berhad had an accrual ratio of 0.35 in the 12 months leading up to June 2021. Unfortunately, this means that a free cash flow was significantly lower than statutory profit, leading investors to question the value of profit as a guide. As a result, investors are hesitant to invest in Pharma Niaga Berhad. This is a disadvantage for Pharma Niaga because investors play a critical part in company success and growth.
My name is Siti Aisyah binti Ahmad Zarin, metric number 288352. Next, I will explain opportunities of Pharma Niaga in SWOT analysis. As we know, the world is hit by COVID-19 pandemic. Many businesses are affected by this pandemic as well as Pharma Niaga. However, this pandemic opened opportunities to them participate in partnership that support the national COVID-19 immunization program that can bring their company's name to international. They also were trusted to be suppliers of the Sinovac vaccine from the government. Also, during this pandemic COVID-19, people prefer to buy goods via online to avoid physical interaction that can raise possible to infected with COVID-19. Because of that, Pharma Niaga Berhad took this chance to create e-commerce and digitization to extend communication reach and promote their product. Royal Pharma has added more access to their business product through Pristine Pharma. This decreases the distance between buyer and the business area that will increase the number of buyers and finally raise their company profit. Meanwhile, the threat for Pharma Niaga Berhad is one of their main competitor, Prati Donaduzzi. Prati Donaduzzi is among the 1,000 largest and best company in Brazil. Moreover, they get awards the best companies in Customer Satisfaction Institute that placed their company among the top 100 in the country in 2020. They also have consistent growth, financial sustainability, and investment in innovation. This will lead to competition for Pharma Niaga to expand their business internationally. Next, the threat comes when the government said that the country will stop administering the COVID-19 vaccine produced by China's Sinovac. This will cause Pharma Niaga's share price as investors saw and think the impact from government's decision to stop the supply of Sinovac vaccine.
My name is Nur Fara'in binti Baharum, matrix number 288348. Among the suggestions on appropriate strategies for this company are: first, create a special application for the company. If this company has a dedicated app, the purchasing and selling procedure will be streamlined, and plus, it can prevent the occurrence of sales fraud, which can damage the company's reputation. Second, consider technology as a means of resolving a problem. Advances in pharmacy technology are freeing up pharmacists so that they may better serve their patients by reducing the time and effort required to fill prescriptions. Third, develop stronger patient-pharmacist ties. Pharmacists may play an important role in promoting treatment continuity as healthcare funding models transitions from fee-for-service to value-based. As a result, pharmacists conducting more one-on-one consultations and educational sessions with their patients. Fourth, make the consumer experience more personalized. Internal data, established preference, and even social media data are being used by cutting-edge retail pharmacists to better understand how, when, and what to engage with their clients. So, they can try by experimenting with new technology to better understand how to communicate with each consumer. And lastly, take advantage of fresh expansion possibilities. An increasing need for pharmacists who can help patients manage their prescriptions on a long-term basis is fueling the growth of specialty pharmaceuticals that treat complex and/or chronic disease. So, they should offer a common platform for clinical, financial, prior authorization, data collection, and adherence services for all expanding specialty pharmacy locations.